Welcome to Home of Math. We are starting a new episode based on fraction exercise 1.5 part 1 class 6. We know, but I want to review something, which is first, what is fraction? We know fraction is two part, one is numerator and another one is denominator, like 5 divided 6. And fraction has three types. One is proper fraction, which is suppose 1 divide 2 or 3 divide 4, etc. Improper fraction, which is the numerator is larger than denominator, like 4 by 3, 6 by 5, like this. And finally, mixed fraction, which is integer and proper fraction combined, like this is improper fraction where is 4 by 3. This 4 by 3 we can write like, once we divide 4 by 3, here is 1, here is 3, 1 times 3 is a 3, so minus 4 minus 3 is a 1. So this 4 by 3 we can write 1 by 3. Okay, so this is a basic thing. But if you want to make mixed fraction to improper fraction, that time what are we doing? Like 7 3 by 4, what are we doing? We are doing denominator is common, it means 4, and then integer which is 7, so 7 times then denominator, it means 4, plus numerator which is 3. So this 7 3 by 4 we can write 7 times 4 is a 28, plus 3, it means 31. 7 times 4 plus 3, 31, divide 4. Look, now this mixed fraction become improper fraction. And finally, we have to know about, once we multiply by fraction and integer, which is like we can write, suppose 7 times 1 by 2, it means numerator which is 1 times integer which is 7, and denominator is a common thing which is 2. So this one we can write 1 times 7 is a 7, divide 2. Now we will start chapter math, it means exercise 1.5, where we are doing multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. So 1a, here is 2 3 by 5 times 1 7 by 13. So what we will do first? Look, fraction and integer, it means this is what we know already, mixed fraction to improper fraction. So first this integer 2, then times denominator 5, 2 times 5, then plus numerator which is 3, and divide denominator like this one. Okay, times. Similar, the denominator is 13 and 1 times 13 plus 7. So now look, here is 5, then 2 times 5 is a 10 plus 3. So here is 13 by 5, and here is times 13 plus 7, which is what? 20. And here is 13 times 20, divide 13. Now is the main work. Look, this 13 by 5 times 20 by 13 we can do like this, 13 times 20 or 5 times 13, or not this one. We can out 13 by 13, and this 20 we can divide by 5, so here is a 4. The answer is 4. Similar thing here is also 13 out 13 and 20 divided by 5, so it will be 4. So our answer is 4. Number B. Number B means 1B. which is multiply. Here is 4 1 by 3 times 27 divided 32 times 4 7 by 26. So now we can write directly 3 times 4 is a 12, 12 plus 1 is a 13, divide 3 times 27 divide 32, it will be unchanged, and here is 26 times 4. Look, here is 4 7 by 26. This one is 4 times 26 plus 7 divide denominator, which is 26. Now we can use calculator if you have permission. I don't know your examination will give permission or not, but usually these types of math you can get permission to use calculator. So here is 26 times 4 means 104 plus 7, it will be 111 divide 26. Now we will do, or we will simplify. Suppose here is 27, this one we can divide by 3 because 3 times 9 is a 27. So here is 1. Now look, here is a multiplication. So you can divide or multiply everything, each fraction you can simplify easily. Here is 26 and here is 13. We can divide each other. So once we divide 13 by 13, it will be 1, and once we divide 26 by 13, it will be 2. Okay, 111, it means 111 times 9 is a 999, divide 32 times 2 is a 64. Okay, now this is a improper fraction, right? Improper fraction. Now we have to make this one mixed fraction. So 999, once we divide by 64, so first this one is 1, so here is 64, so 9 minus 4 is a 5, and 9 minus 6 is a 3, and we can use this one 9. So here is 5, we can use this one. So 5 times 4 is a 20, 0. 5 times 6 is a 30, 30 plus 2 is a 32. So here is 9, and 5 minus 2 is a 3. So our answer is 1539 divide 64. This is our answer. Okay, so number A and B done of multiplication, and our last question, which is number C. Here is mentioned 99 3 divide 4 times 2 divide 17 times 5 divide 19. Okay, now let's start. First, this 99 3 by 4. Look, 99 3 by 4, this one we can write, denominator is 4, and here is integer 99 times this denominator plus 3. So what will be the answer? Look, 99 times 4, it means 396 plus 3, it means 399. 399 divide 4. So we can write directly here 399 divide 4 times 2 by 17 times 5 by 19. Okay, so if you want to simplification this one, so first this 4 we can divide by 2, so here is a 2. Now you can use calculator. 399 divide 19 is a 21. Now we are checking any more simplify or not. It's not. It means 21 times 5 is a 105, and here is 2 times 17 is a 34. Okay, so now this is the improper fraction. So once we make proper fraction, mixed fraction, so 105 divide 34, so it will be 3 times 4 is a 2, carry 1, 3 times 3 is a 9, 9 plus 1 is a 10, 5 minus 2 is a 3. So our answer is 3 by 34. This is our answer. So no more today. This video we are trying to multiply of a fraction by a fraction, which is very important, and this is the first part of exercise 1.5 class 6 mathematics, and that chapter is fraction. Next part we will division of a fraction by a fraction, which is also very important for our examination. So please subscribe my channel if you think this video is helping you, and also share with your friends. Thank you.